how to perform a combustion analysis. The information contained in this video is intended as an aid to a qualified installing contractor or service technician. It is not intended to replace the installation or service manuals that are supplied with the equipment. Locate the on-off switch on the back of the unit. Turn the switch to the off position. Locate the flue sensor in the vent connection on the back of the unit. Remove the flue sensor and rubber grommet from the vent connection. Turn the on-off switch to the on position. Locate the pinhole button on the display. Using a paper clip or something similar, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. The word Service will appear on the status line of the display. The unit will fire at its normal ignition speed and will then modulate its firing rate to 100%. During service mode, the control will ignore all other heat demands. However, all safeties and maximum set point temperatures will be active. If no other buttons are pushed, the control will automatically revert back to its original state after the service mode delay has expired. The default time for the service mode delay is 10 minutes. Once the unit has modulated its firing rate up to 100%, insert the probe from a combustion analyzer into the hole left by the removal of the flue sensor and measure the combustion. For natural gas models, the carbon dioxide or CO2 levels should be between 8 to 10%. For propane gas models, the CO2 levels should be between 9 to 11%. For both natural and propane gas models, the carbon monoxide or CO levels should be no more than 150 parts per million for a properly installed unit. If the CO2 and CO levels are not within the specified ranges, several items could be the cause. Verify that the vent and air intake pipes are installed correctly. Reference the venting section of the installation and operation manual that was supplied with the unit for the proper installation methods. Verify that there is no blockage or obstruction in the vent or air intake pipes or at the terminal points. Refer to the video How to Measure Inlet Gas Pressure to determine if an adequate gas supply has been delivered to the unit. Refer to the video Burner Removal and Cleaning to determine if the burner is damaged or is in need of cleaning. Refer to the video Heat Exchanger Access and Cleaning to determine if the heat exchanger is in need of cleaning. If the CO2 and CO levels are still not within the specified ranges after reviewing the possible causes, adjustment of the gas valve may be necessary. Grasp the top panel at the front lower edge. Lift the panel up and pull it away from the unit. For the 400 and 501 models, locate the throttle adjustment screw on top of the gas valve. Using a screwdriver, turn the adjustment screw 1/4 turn counterclockwise to increase CO2 levels, and 1/4 turn clockwise to decrease CO2 levels. After one adjustment of the valve, allow the combustion to stabilize and recheck the CO2 and CO levels. If the CO2 and CO levels are still not within the specified range, repeat the adjustment procedure. If, after 4 adjustments, the CO2 and CO levels are still not within the specified range, revisit the other possible causes, or replace the gas valve. For the 601 through 801 models, locate the throttle adjustment screw under the blue cap on top of the gas valve. Using a 3 mm Allen wrench, turn the adjustment screw 1/4 turn clockwise to decrease CO2 levels, and 1/4 turn counterclockwise to increase CO2 levels. After one adjustment of the valve, allow the combustion to stabilize and recheck the CO2 and CO levels. If the CO2 and CO levels are still not within the specified range, repeat the adjustment procedure. If after 4 adjustments the CO2 and CO levels are still not within the specified range, revisit the other possible causes or replace the gas valve. Replace the top panel on the unit. Once the combustion analysis is complete, press the right select key to take the unit out of service mode. The unit will return to normal operation. Turn the on-off switch to the off position. Replace the rubber grommet and flue sensor in the vent connection. Turn the on-off switch to the on position. The unit is now ready to accept a heat demand. If there are questions regarding this procedure after reviewing the video and the installation and service manuals, please contact the Lochinvar Technical Service Department.